First, please check you have all of the components. Lay out part A, remove 2 and place them back into the box for spares. Lay all part A face up, so the wood grain direction goes up and down the length. Take 4 of part A, that you will not clip here on the left side, as shown here. Now insert clips part C in all the remaining left side. For the following 16 of part A, insert clips part C in all on the left side of the pieces. Start with one single part A of the first pile of 4. Then place one part A from the pile of 16 beside the piece and then clip them together. Make sure you support the back of the parts when clipping together. Now continue by adding 3 part A from the pile of 16 beside the piece and then clip them together. Then place one single part A of the first pile of 4 and clip together. Now add 4 part A from the pile of 16 beside the piece and then clip them together. Repeat this process to form the shape. Optional lamp holder cover over the cord, push on tight to cover bulb holder. Open part B, make sure you position correctly. The top should follow the pattern, as shown here. Slide the top on the cord part E until it sits on top of the bulb holder. Gently place the top onto the shape so it aligns with the missing clips. Well done! You have successfully made your kit set light.
Hi, thank you for buying one of our lights. I hope you enjoyed making it. It's fun. And thank you also for being part of our seed system. We do everything we can to be as environmentally responsible, and you being part of that by embracing the kit set making of the lights reduces the impact of those lights on their environment. Thank you very much. Please follow us on our social media. Keep up to date with our whānau, with our family. Enjoy your light. Kia ora.